Femur. Now repeat after me. Femur. Femur. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning, the femur, also known as the thigh bone, is the longest and strongest bone in the human body. Located in the upper leg, it connects the hip to the knee and supports much of our body weight when we walk, run, or stand. The femur is critical to movement and stability, allowing us to perform daily activities with ease. The femur is like the main support pillar of your leg, making it essential for strength and mobility. In a sentence, the X-ray showed that he had fractured his femur after a fall. Here, femur refers to the thigh bone that was injured. Let's try another example. Doctors say the femur is hard to break due to its thickness and strength. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using femur. Synonyms. Some related terms for femur are thigh bone, another term for the femur, highlighting its location in the thigh. Upper leg bone, referring to the femur as the primary bone in the upper leg. Antonyms, the opposite of femur in terms of location, would be humerus, the upper arm bone which is the equivalent of the femur in the arm. Fibula, a smaller bone in the lower leg located parallel to the tibia. Part of speech. Femur is a noun referring to the thigh bone in the human body. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.